Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Azure SQL Database to restore from point in time, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from an Azure SQL Database for point in time restore, you will first need to log into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure portal and locate the SQL Databases section. Select the SQL database that you want to withdraw from. In the database overview, find the Restore option in the menu. Click on Restore to open the Restore configuration settings. You will see the options for restoring your database. Choose the Point in Time Restore option. Select the appropriate date and time from the calendar. Ensure that the selected time falls within the backup retention period. Review the settings for the restore operation. You may also choose to change the name of the database for the restored version. Once you have confirmed your settings, click on the OK or Restore button to initiate the process. The system will begin to restore your database to the point you specified. You can monitor the progress of the restore operation in the notifications area. After the process is complete, the newly restored database will appear in your SQL Databases list. You can now access this database and verify its contents. If needed, you can further configure the restored database or perform additional operations. Remember to test the functionality to ensure everything is as expected. Always maintain a backup strategy for future rollback needs. And that concludes the steps for withdrawing from an Azure SQL database for a point-in-time restore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.